U.S. stocks sharply in the red this Wednesday morning. This as weak economic data helped fuel concerns over the coronavirus impact on the U.S. economy. Now, retail sales figures during the month of March, they plunged a record 8.7%. This, according to the U.S. Commerce Department, the largest one-month decline since the department began tracking back in 1992. Also, manufacturing right here in the New York area also falling by its biggest margin ever to a historic low, surpassing levels seen since the Great Recession back in 2008. The New York Empire State Manufacturing Index hitting negative 78.2, blowing past the previous worst reading the index has seen of negative 34.3 during that financial crisis. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, the euro dollar is where we begin. That's under pressure. The British pound US dollar pair under pressure as well, but also in focus. The pair is under pressure below its moving averages, which are crossing each other's to the downside. Short positions below 125.75 are favored, with targets at 124.80 and 124.40 in extension. The US dollar Japanese yen pair that sees a rebound, while the Bitcoin dollar sees the upside prevail as long as 66.70 is the support, the pivot point standing at 66.70, while gold under pressure as gold has broken below a rising trend line and remains under pressure. Short positions below 17.27 are favored, with targets at 1700 and 16.89 in extension. This while silver, that's under pressure.